This is something that I think a lot of people find to be magic. If they don't understand how to do visual optimization, they're like, you know what? I'm not going to focus on this. I'm really good at sourcing. I'm really good at product development. I'm really good at PPC, but the creatives, the visuals, I don't know how to do that. And so what I'm hoping that this is going to give you at least a starting point, a framework of how to approach visual optimization. And the way that I try to explain it to people is it's just like going to the gym. I was doing some bench pressing the other day. And when I first started lifting weights, I'm like, man, this feels so awkward. It feels so uncomfortable. But after you get your reps in and you go back day after day after day, you get a feeling for how it's supposed to work. You get a feeling for the movement. And then not only do you get better at it, but you're able to lift more and more weight. You're able to, even if you're not as strong, I'm saying you're able to lift more weight because you just know how it's supposed to feel. You know what muscles to engage. And that's exactly the same, I guess, when it comes to visual optimization. It's just like working out.